morning, 4th class students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. We are discussing regarding the grammar part adverb topic. Already I have explained children what is an adverb. An adverb is a word which tells us something about the verb. What is that something? How the work is done, when the work is done, and where the work is done. To denote such type of actions, to tell about the actions happened, work ekkada jarigindi, ela jarigindi, eppudu jarigindi. Okay, now regarding the exercises part, children, models, few models I will tell about the adverbs. First one, how to identify the adverb given in a sentence. Suppose children, they gave our team won the match yesterday. Our team won the match yesterday. Okay, suppose this is a sentence given to you. Here, if you see children, what is the subject of the given sentence? Our team. Who won the match? Our team. Who ane daniki answer vachinappudu adi subject. Okay. When they won the match yesterday. Match eppudu gelisaru? Yesterday. So yesterday is here children adverb. What do you mean here? Won is verb. Okay, understood? Coming to the second one, ikkada em cheppandana, when the work is done, when they won the match, when. Next one they gave nana, she doesn't live here. She doesn't live here. Where she doesn't live? Here. So here you are getting where. Here it is adverb and you are getting me where questions. She is the subject, children. Does not live is full verb. Does is a helping verb, negative helping verb. Here it is a verb. Coming to the third question, children, given to you. You came late. Raju. Who came late? Raju came late. When Raju came, ikkada kuda malli when, late. This is the adverb. So see children, you have to be very careful nana when you are identifying the adverbs. Our next question they gave nana, did he run fast? How he ran fast? So here fast is the adverb and here we are getting how. Okay, coming to the fifth question, children. Fifth question, the boys talked, T-A-L-K-E-D, talked loudly. How the boys talked, children? How the boys talked? The boys talked loudly. Here, how the work is done is denoted by loudly. How the work is done? Loudly. So in this way, children, easily we can identify the adverb given in the sentence. Let us see another example. The child cried bitterly. How the child cried, nana? Child ela edchadu? Bitterly. The child cried bitterly. So in this way, children, we can identify the given given adverb in a sentence. Our next model, to write the correct adverb in the given sentences, we have to use the correct adverb. Few blanks has been given to us. We have to write our choice how to fill the blank, but we have to write the blank only with the adverb. Now let us see the first one. Do this exercise. Do this exercise. And the exercise, how we are, when we are doing, how we are doing, we can say do this exercise regularly, means we will do exercises regularly. So here we can fill our blank with the regularly adverb. Okay. Coming to the second one, the bus was running fast. How the bus was running fast. How the bus was running fast. Coming to the third one, Misha sings. Misha sings. How the Misha is singing songs. Misha sings lovely or sweetly. Lovely or sweetly. Okay. Next one, fourth one, children. The moon shines. How the moon shines. What we can write? Brightly we can write. Any adverb you have to write the correct suitable adverb. Brightly. The moon shines brightly. Coming to the fifth one, children. The army fought. The army fought. How the army fought? The army fought bravely. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y. Bravely. The army fought bravely. Coming to the sixth one, children. He won't play. He won't play. He won't play. Where he won't play? Here. He won't play here. He won't play here. Coming to the seventh one, children. What they gave us? The seventh one. Seventh blank, another blank they gave. She comes here late. What we can say here? She comes here late. She comes here late. Coming to the eighth one. Our soldiers fought. Our soldiers fought dash boldly. Boldly. Our soldiers fought boldly. The next children they gave, use the following adverbs in sentences. There is nothing. One Roman they gave very interesting, children. By adding ly we have to frame the adverbs. Let us see now how to frame the adverbs by adding ly to the sentence. Here we have to add ly to frame the adverbs. Okay. See, children. Gentle. 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 By adding ly to the gentle, we have to frame an adverb. So gentle adverb, what is that? Gently. 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 Next one, equal. Safely, S-A-F-E-L-Y, safely. Real, R-E-A-L, real, R-E-A-L-L-Y, really. Dry, dryly, D-R-I-L-Y, dryly. Able, A-B-L-E, ably. When we are adding ly to the word which ends with e, children, you may have observed we are not writing e when we are adding ly. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. What is the adverb? Happily, H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. Lucky, L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. Luckily, L-U-C-K-I-L-Y, luckily. So in this way our topic adverb completes here, children. Next our topic nana about the prepositions. Already we have learned in our previous classes about the preposition. Again we will learn more about the preposition in this class. Okay, have a nice day.